accountant, and I don't play one on TV, but what I'm about to tell you I thought was so important, I wish I could just scream it from the rooftops. I want everybody to know about this. I've been in business for 30 years, and I didn't find out about this until just recently. Had I known about this 30 years ago, it would have made all the difference in the world to my company, my organization, and I want you to know about it as soon as possible. If you like what you're about to hear and see, you gotta share it. It's your obligation, your duty, your responsibility. All right, maybe you don't got to, but I mean, yeah, you should. Absolutely nothing worse than taxes. Giving your money away to the government when you earned it. And I know it's nothing that any entrepreneur contractor likes to do, but it's something we have to do. But it doesn't have to bite so hard. I was interviewing an accountant that specializes in tax preparation for small businesses, and I learned a trick that is absolutely amazing. I wish I would have known about it 20 years earlier, and I'm going to give it to you right now. I'm not going to keep it from you. I'm not going to make you download a PDF or sign up with an email. I'm going to actually give you this simple, powerful tool. Do your taxes in November. What he told me, I know it sounds way too simple, but what he told me is prepare your taxes in November. Get your estimated totals all summed up and ready to go. Have everything all lined up perfectly in November, but if your year end typically shuts down in December 31st and a new tax season starts January 1st, if you have your taxes done in November estimated, that gives you 6 to 8 weeks to finalize your numbers. There's no mystery. There's no, oh, I wish it could be this, or I don't know what it's going to be. You're going to know exactly what your taxes are going to come out come December 31st. So when you prepare early, you have the ability to plan accordingly for another 6 to 8 weeks, showing $100,000 in profit. And the government's going to want 30% of that. Instead of giving that up right away, what you can do is plan accordingly to either increase your expenses, and by reinvesting into your company, by purchasing new equipment, new supplies, upping some of the quality of the services you offer, or you can hold off and adding deposits into your company. So your accounts receivable, maybe you have them, instead of putting them into the bank, just hold on to them till after the first of the year. That way then those deposits go on to the next year's accounting system. Two simple strategies that you couldn't do if you did not prepare in November. That's why it's so important to get your taxes done early, estimated, so that you have no surprises come the beginning of the year.
Please hang up and try again.